Cambond is a company developing bio-based material technology platform for circular economy. I'm Zhao. I'm the co-founder and CEO for Cambond Limited. We set up a company in 2014. The idea is try to use bio-based materials to replace oil and also plastic to reduce the carbon footprint. In terms of climate change, we realize there's so many waste in the world, including food waste and agricultural waste, and also plastic waste, which all create this problem in terms of pollution. We want to use the waste, turn the waste into valuable product.
Hi, I'm Gareth Roberts. I'm in charge of business development for Cambond. Cambond's developed a new green technology, and the aim of this is really to solve a lot of the problems that we see with new developments in the area, which is that people have great ideas, great technology, but they cost a lot, and they cost so much that in the end people won't use them. Cambond uses existing industrial byproducts, things like the residue from the brewing industry and other byproducts like straw or agricultural wastes. These are available in very large quantities immediately. So it means that we can move the technology forward very, very quickly, and more importantly, in a cost-effective way.
My name is Umut Demir. I am the R&D manager within Cambond. So my day-to-day role mainly includes research, manufacturing and optimization of the products involved in our eco-friendly biodiesel. Cambond has an exciting vision of a very clean and eco-friendly future. And I believe it is determined and stubborn, yet flexible and innovative to be able to solve this problem.
Hello, my name is Omar Hayasat. I'm a civil engineering graduate. At Cambond, I work alongside my team and my team members in creating greener alternatives to construction materials. We are firm believers in reusing, recycling, and creating renewable energy.
My name's Maya Constable. I'm 20 years old and I'm a laboratory technician apprenticeship here at Cambond. We as a company can show simple processes to make products that are so green and are very good for the environment. I think that would really help to promote changing how other people think and how they can help as well. We search every different pathway to find a solution to our circular economy. We look at all different aspects of materials so that they can be used, hopefully, in a greener way.
For example, we can turn brewery spent grain into high-value biodegradable resin to be used for many applications. For example, biocomposite. We can give the biocomposite with very high performance properties. We can repurpose all the waste, which maybe people think that is a waste, but for us can be a resource.